We've all felt it, the quiet buzz of energy when we're wired in. But could your body really power a device? Turns out there's more truth to this than sci-fi fantasies. From small-scale prototypes to cutting-edge research, let's see what's possible, and where the limits still lie. Every step you take, every breath you inhale, your body is quietly generating energy. It's not magic, it's thermoelectricity and biomechanics in action. But could we harness it to power the gadgets in our hands? The science says yes, but the challenge lies in scaling up what we've already learned. Imagine stepping on a tile that captures the energy from your stride, or wearing a jacket that converts your body heat into power. If the energy output from human movement or body heat just isn't enough to charge a full-size device yet, unless you're walking marathons or standing on high-traffic tiles all day. But what if we could take this a step further? Imagine nanogenerators woven into our clothes, or biofuel cells that pull energy from sweat and motion. These aren't just theoretical ideas. They're being developed right now in labs around the world. The question isn't if human-powered tech will arrive, but when, and how soon it'll change the way we think about energy. But here's the kicker. What if we could take this a step further? Imagine nanogenerators woven into our clothes, or biofuel cells that pull energy from sweat and motion. These aren't.
The average person generates about 100 watts while walking or standing, enough to power a small LED bulb, maybe an e-reader if you're really moving, but not yet your smartphone. Yet the potential is huge. Researchers are exploring nanogenerators that could harness this energy more efficiently, turning every step or motion into usable power. Your body is a silent power plant. Every step, every movement generates energy. But here's the catch. That energy isn't enough to charge your smartphone yet. It powers small gadgets, maybe an e-reader if you're really moving, but not yet the devices we rely on daily. The question is,